Hello, what's happening, guys? Welcome. Today in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, July the 25th, 2022. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. And in Dutch they call it cijfer block. And 1 binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. And those puzzles that I'm going to solve are the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Otherwise, it's too much for me if I solve them all. Time consuming, and I also need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. If the puzzle is a half hour, then I need also a half hour to upload it to YouTube. Anyway, too much for me. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Well, the first Sudoku in this additional will be a 3 stars Sudoku number 4906. 4906. Before I start, I always count and print the digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 printed digits. Correct. Alright, and for a 3 stars puzzle, Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos, 4 threes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 threes. We have here 2 fours, 2 fives, 4 sixes. All right. 1 7, 3 eights, and 2 9. So the 3s and the 6s are in majority. All right. So let me start with the 6 then. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the 3rd row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here. All right. Okay. Now I cannot continue with the 6. Now I cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. How about the 3 then? 3, 3, 3, 3. No. Having troubles with the 3. Okay. In this column, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. We see an 8 in this row. So, we have 4 8s. Wow. 4 8s overlooked again. So the 8 could be here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the row below, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. Well. I cannot continue with 8 now. I need to wait. 6 to 9. No. 3, 9. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 5, 5. 1, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes here. 2 in this column, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 179, 179, 179. And look, we have 1 in this column, so no 1 there. Here 1 in this column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 7 and the 9 are missing. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. But we have a 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Yeah. Come on. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 1. I'm still thinking. I'm thinking. 7, 2. Where is the opening? The opening. 1. Yeah. 1. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes in there. 2, 2. 2. Yeah, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this row. We need a 2 in these boxes. One of these boxes, yes. All right. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or there in this row. Here or there. But we see another 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. All right. 2, 2. 2. Then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in this row, so no 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9, 9, 2, and 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 5, and the 9. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 in this column. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 2 and the 9. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, and now we have a pair. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. Okay. 3, 4. And that's 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this row. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 3 and the 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Here also 2 numbers left in the last column, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in this row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright. Then. Let me see. The 7 in this column, the 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row. 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column, so the column in between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. Okay. Alright. So we have a 4 in this column, the 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 3. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2 and a 1. Now we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. Cannot continue with the 2. But do we have all the 1s? And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 1. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Right, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in the third column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. White. How about the number? How about these 2 numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4, it goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the first row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. Okay. And now 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there, and all the 4's are used. I can see digit number 5, number 4. All right. Okay. Then. We have a 3 in this column, the 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow, 18 minutes. Well, is this really a 3 stars then? No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle I will do. Will be a 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.